Hey, this is Postman, and I'm here with FL Studio Tips, and I'm going to show you how to make a really full sounding vocoder like I did in my recent song, Say. Alright, here's what it sounds like.
Tell me everything you've never said before. All the dumb things that linger on and on and on.
Yeah, so basically what I have here is 3 layers of vocoder. Here's the first one.
Tell me
Second one.
Tell me
And then the most important one, which is the third, the bass one, which a lot of people don't use. And that's what's going to make it sound really thick and full sounding. So layer 1, I have VOCALSYNTH 2 being the vocoder. And I have these 3 layers. This one, which is more electronic sounding. This one, more computer sounding. And then the polyvox, more human sounding. So mixed together, it sounds really cool. Then I just have some EQ and OTT. Then the second layer here is with Manipulator, which is a vocal pitch plugin, but it also can be used as a vocoder. And there's a stereo knob, make it more stereo. And so with those 2 different but similar sounding layers, I pan them left and right so they're really wide and more interesting. And then with this vocoder bass, I use VOCALSYNTH 2 again. And it has all the low end, and so that's just playing a single bass note. And mixed with these, it makes it really fat and really thick. And then with the lead vocal,
Tell me everything you've never said before.
now you're Zed. If you guys like this song, it's my new song called Say. You can stream it anywhere. Thanks for watching.
To say